FlashFill. What exactly is FlashFill? FlashFill is a function of Excel which automatically recognizes the pattern and then fill the data according to the same. So in my example, I have the name, first name and the last name. I have the names in which the last name is the first name and the first name is the last name. So I will be converting the names to their original format. So to do so, first figure out the first name and the last name by yourself and type it in. For example, Andy and Nancy. Now select the cell and the cells where you want FlashFill and click on FlashFill. And do the same with this Nancy in this last name column. Click on FlashFill and boom, you have it. This is how FlashFill works. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and leave a comment.